Okay, so in this tutorial today actually we'll add Adblocker extension on a web browser. My web browser is Firefox. I will add extension on the browser. So on top of the right center there is icon, just simply click on it and go to settings. On your left, bottom left, extensions and theme, simply press enter and search Adblocker. I will recommend you add the extension, the first one, Adblocker Ultimate, which is very good. Okay, just click on it and add to Firefox. Ask for the permission. Adblocker Ultimate, this extension will have permission to access your data for all websites and access browser tabs, access browser activity during navigation. Just add and finally allow this extension to run in private window and press OK. So successfully added. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.